And there we go, looking super cool and super stylish with the Instax Mini 90 Polaroid camera. What's up everybody, AJ here. In today's video I've got a slightly different one for you. We'll be unboxing the Fujifilm Instax 90 and of course the film that comes with it. So if you're watching this video, you probably know a little bit about Fujifilm, Polaroids, and maybe even seen a few reviews of the Fujifilm Instax 90, because this camera has actually been out for about 8 years now, and in that time it hasn't actually changed at all. So if you're watching this video, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And without any further ado, let's actually rip into this. Alright, so there's nothing too fancy about the box, standard brown packaging. Went for the brown color because we actually thought it looked nicer than the black one. Opening it up, what are we met with? We've got the manual, which we might go through a bit later on after the video. We've got more information over the manual in different languages, so there's quite a few different manuals available. Here is a neck strap, so you can keep the camera around your neck when you're not using it. Let's grab that camera out. The camera actually feels nicely weighted, even though the battery is not inside of it. And turning it around, there is our cute little camera, or big camera I should say. We've got a few different modes. It actually feels really, it's got a definite weight to it. It actually makes it feel like a really premium camera, especially when there are the cheaper Fujifilms out there, which are, you know, under $100, and I guess they're more the entry level Polaroids, whereas this is the more upmarket one. So it has a nice design, better picture quality, better camera quality, and of course a much more solid build quality to it. Putting that aside, what else do we have in here? This would be the little charging cradle. Uses rechargeable batteries. The last bits and pieces we have are a little clip for our strap and the battery itself. Close it up, power on, and we have turned it on for the first time. Of course, the Polaroid camera is pretty much nothing without some film, and this is pretty much the standard film that you get across any Polaroid camera. The cameras themselves are actually relatively cheap because the film is where Polaroid or Fuji make all their money, because when you buy a camera for $100 or $200, you don't really upgrade all that often. I mean, this is the exact same camera for about 7 or 8 years now, but you do have to pay every time you want to print photos, right? This was a 20 pack that cost 20 bucks, so that's $1 a photo, which is pretty astronomical, but I mean, they have to make their money somewhere, right? And people love the nostalgia of a Polaroid camera. Let's rip into that. To load the film in, we just got to pop the back off. Here is our first demo piece. We can throw that away, power us on, and how about we grab our first photo of the camera. Woo! You guys are watching the first print of the camera. So if you know me, you know I love technology, any kind of tech, so here's some facts and figures. It was released back in September 2013, making it almost 8 years old. The big lens that it has on it is a 60mm lens with a 12.7 aperture. It's got a shutter speed of 1.8 and it has automatic exposure. But to the majority of people out there, it is just a really good looking Polaroid camera to grab some nostalgic photos. So to make sure we look as touristy as possible with the Instax Mini 90, you are going to need to attach the little lanyard or the big lanyard around your neck, which is really easy. You've got these two little clips that go either side of the Instax Mini 90.
Three hours later.
And there we go, looking super cool and super stylish with the Instax Mini 90 Polaroid camera. Actually, who are we kidding? Looking super nerdy with this thing, and of course the fact that I'm a big nerd. But hey, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.